to that.
All right, we're live, guys. It's my third live in the last 30 minutes. I did one live on IG, then in Boxycharm Latinx. That was supposed to go alongside with the IG, but we had some technical issues. So now I'm doing my third live. For those of you who don't know, my name is Joe. I'm the founder of Boxycharm, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing live about, we'll do some QAs and we'll explain a little bit about the Boxyluxe. Make sure we articulate everything so everyone understand how it works. It's super simple. It's just a little bit challenging to explain, but once you understand, it's very simple. And then we're going to go and show you some products that are going to be in the charm room in September. So let's start with, I'm going to answer your questions. If there are some questions, Johnny over here is going to help me out and he's going to read some of the questions. But in the meantime, I'm going to go and break it down and answer a couple of the common questions that you guys have about Boxyluxe. So Boxyluxe is an addition. You basically receive one big box. 4 of the items that are in Boxycharm will be in Boxyluxe. All combined, there'll be 11 items, all right? You'll pay an additional of $28.99. We actually did sneak peek for 4 items that are going to be exclusively for Boxyluxe. And we're probably going to go and post something right after that on Facebook so you can see it again. The date to upgrade is on September 1st, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. This is the date to upgrade. You will receive a link, or you'll just log into the site and you'll find the link over there. We'll try to do it kind of like a few minutes right after, so a few minutes after 9. But within 9 a.m. we'll send an email to anyone that joined the interest list to get the access to go and subscribe. Now, if you have not received an email from us, if you get on the link to join the interest list and you have not received an email, just check your spam folder. And if you still have an issue, just send us an email to customer service, but you should find it, it's there. And that's gonna help us. We'll send you a link so you can subscribe. Secondly, we have another question about, is it gonna be $21 plus $49.99? No, it's $21. Make sure that you're still active. Your actual Boxycharm subscription has to remain active. So on the first, we're gonna run the $21. And then we're gonna run an additional $28.99. And in that case, we'll be able to go and put you on the Boxyluxe in the Boxycharm list, and you'll receive your Boxyluxe. I made a little sketch over here. In the month of September, you'll see the charge $21, and then after we clear the 21, we'll charge the $28.99, and you'll receive a big, large box. Then right after that, on the 21st, on October, we'll just charge you $21. In November, we'll charge you only $21, and you'll receive only Boxycharm boxes, the traditional Boxycharm boxes, which are amazing. And those months I'm super excited. And then December, you are gonna rebuild again $28.99 right after the $21. Those are gonna be the 2 charges you're gonna see, and you'll be receiving the large box. And same on, goes every 3 months. So other than doing that once, there's nothing you need to do. You don't have to go and do it every 3 months. You will still receive every month after that your Boxycharm, the regular box. We're not unsubscribing you to a new, it's all the same. You stay in basic, the basic subscription for Boxycharm stays forever. We don't take it away. If you ever want to sign off from the Boxyluxe and just stay on Boxycharm, you do it, and we're essentially going to charge you only $21. Right? The $28.99, it's an addition. If you are in Canada, Puerto Rico, or Hawaii, or in Alaska, it's going to be an additional $8. It's a larger box. Shipping is different over there. Everyone else get charged basically the traditional cost, unless there's state taxes, depends on the states you're in. Now, Johnny over here is going to read me some questions so I can sharpen it up.
Okay, so they want to know if they're going to see all of the products for the Boxyluxe before September 1st, the sneak peeks.
You'll see the majority. Usually we keep the surprise element. It's worth it for the first 2 items, 1 item. For some item, the one first item, it's worth the whole thing value-wise and so on. We'll show you, I think, 4 items prior to that. That's how we do, maybe 5, I don't remember. But we try to keep some surprise elements and so on. But the main big items are going to be shown before.
They also want to know if you have to upgrade each time every 3 months, or is it automatic?
One time and then it's going to be automatic. Well, there's nothing else. You have to do it one time and then you're good. You just receive the box. Once every 3 months you'll receive a large box, and then in between you'll receive the Boxycharm boxes.
They also want to know if they can sign up for December if they don't get the September box.
Yes, we believe that anyone that did not get the September will receive the December. We just have a huge amount for December, and we prepare to wait and sell it within some days. Over here it's probably going to sell on the first day, I believe. We had no way to anticipate how many people would want that, but for December we're good. There's going to be a lot. If you what? I'm sorry.
If you can have an annual subscription for Boxyluxe.
We do not have that yet. We did not build an annual subscription. We'll just recurrently charge you.
Okay. I think what they're asking is if you have an annual subscription.
Oh, I'm sorry. If you have an annual subscription, then we do not run your $21. It's a great question. Any prepay that already paid the September, you're not going to see the $21 transaction. You'll just be eligible automatically to go and upgrade. So just be fast and try to subscribe. We believe it will take a couple hours to sell. I don't think it's going to run in an hour, and I tell people this is not Kylie Jenner thing. We can prepare. We know that the quantities are there. It will take a couple hours to sell it, my opinion. So you'll be able to subscribe. If you're a prepay, you're good.
I think that's it.
Okay, so now we're going to go and show you some products for the charm room. So you're going to be receiving for the month of September. I'll show a few. There are quite a few more, right? I just picked a few that we had in at the office. So we're going to have the Becca primer, all right? It's 16 shades. I just picked up one particular shade, but all 16 shades are going to be on the charm room. Make sure you refer your friends, because you'll be able to pick up products for free. So this is one type. This is the new concealer that they just launched, okay? And there's going to be all 16 shades, so you'll be able to pick the shades that you need. Then we're going to have Laura Geller Gilded Honey. That's a highlighter stick, all right? That's going to be another one. We're going to have another one for the highlighter lovers among you. Iconic London. I don't know if it's one or a few shades. I just know that we have that. And then we have Becca Liquid. I'm sorry, it's a lip gloss. This is the one. We have Hank and Henry lip gloss coming into the charm room as well. Super exciting. Okay. And there's plenty more products in the charm room. We're really gonna stack up on awesome products. Make sure you prepare, because you'll see a lot of items and you'll need points. It's a lot of shopping. Get more friends, more products, and that's pretty much it for now. I'm excited to let you know that you're gonna be excited about the box. I had something else in my mind, but I forgot. That's the third time I'm doing live now, so I'm a little bit tired. But any other questions we have, Johnny?
Yeah, they want to know if everybody's gonna get the email at the same time.
Yes, we sent it at the same time. If you ended up receiving it at the same time, I can control it, but we hit send to everyone at the same time. Yeah, everyone has the same chance. So, okay, I guess this is it. Just to remind you, okay, September 1st, 9 a.m. Eastern time. That's when it's gonna open up. You'll have the chance to go and upgrade. So the upgrade is $28.99. You will have to have your active membership there. So we'll run your $21 subscription first, and then an additional $28.99. That is the cost, the main cost, unless you're in Canada or other places, or some state fees, something like that. So that's it, and it's exciting.